For businesses with multiple users that handle marketing material, BNTouch offers the ability for administrative users to hold newly created and edited campaigns for approval before they can be activated. This way, the administrator can review any new material or changes to existing marketing before it is sent to clients and partners. This feature is different from the Marketing Control Center functionality, which may prevent certain users from creating their own campaigns and steps in the Marketing tab. Using the Marketing Control Center, administrative users can choose to allow certain users to only modify existing campaigns that have been made available for them by administrators. Campaign approval and review is a feature that is enabled for BNTouch accounts on a case-by-case basis. If you are the administrator for your account and are interested in activating it for your business, please open a ticket with our support team. To open a ticket, just open the User menu in the upper right corner of your CRM, then click Submit a Ticket. In the message prompt that will appear, just let our support team know that you want campaign approval enabled for your account. You will be contacted when the feature has been activated. Once activated, any changes to campaign settings, campaign steps, or campaign triggers in the Marketing tab that are made by loan officer users will flag the corresponding campaign as pending approval. Marketing account users will still be able to make changes without flagging campaigns for approval. In the Marketing tab campaign list, any campaigns that have saved changes which are pending approval will be marked with a yellow notice to the right of the campaign name. The changes that were made have been saved, but the user will not be able to start or send that campaign until it has been approved. Additionally, an email notification will be sent to both the administrative user and the user account that made the change. When an administrative user logs into their CRM and opens the Marketing tab, they will have extra options available for campaigns pending approval. The campaign can still be viewed by clicking the blue title link, but new links will appear that allow the administrator to approve it or email the user that changed it. Choosing the Approve option will make the campaign available for use again and send a notification to the user who made the change. Choosing the Email option will open an email message to be sent to the user who updated the campaign. The administrator can then notify the user of any suggested changes that need to be made to the proposed updates before the approval is granted. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.